common law, right, was a kind of a fusion of the various customs of England at the time, the various customary communities, right? And they decided to come up with something that was common to the various countries. That's what they call a common law. Unfortunately, that is not the case here. We have imported something and you have to. So you see, anytime you find judgment, especially that has to do with land, with the people, the court will make this judgment, they should go back and fight. And because it's not reflecting the custom. Judgments and unfortunately we have had parliaments and whatever laws and whatever they are doing and everything. They still come up to the presence of man that it should be based on the custom and traditions of the people. That's the only way they can accept it.
Yeah.
Right. But they don't understand it. So we still have this dichotomy of we are people with our unique identity. Take it or leave it, isn't it? We have our unique identity. So instead of probably getting the common custom of the various customs to get the common ground like what they did in the UK, we have, sorry to say foolishly, adopted something and we call it like our common law, which is not common to us. So when we find something that is going to bring a common ground like this way, I think it's a no man's job. And we must give a good applause. So because I think it's been a wonderful day. We thank everybody for coming. And we hope that we're not going to leave it at this point and just let it die like it happens in this country. We're going to take it a step further. Some of us are going to give it all our money that we can to probably let it be accepted by our traditional authorities, and then probably from there we can then push it onto the government agenda. Thank you all for coming here.
Okay, thank you for coming, but we are going to unveil the books now. Now, for those of us who couldn't, despite our struggle to get a book through auction and filled, you can get a copy. The launch price is 60 Ghana cedis. But if you don't buy it here and you want to buy it outside, it will be 80 Ghana cedis. The prices of the card game and the children's books and so forth will be told you when you get to the table. And there are some, those of you who are collectors of books and want the older editions they have been reduced to clear. You can also get some older editions, together with a new edition. So those are the older editions. The brown one, the brown one is the current one on sale.
And so this is the current one.
Yes.
The revised version.
So we hope that you will try and get copies to take home. We are serving some refreshments on the place from here, which are, please go there and have something.
You can buy this for your children.
So at this time, I want to thank Nana for sparing time to be here with us. I would also want to thank our distinguished guests who were here with us, and more especially the media men who were able to join us to cover this for us. We are so grateful. Please, we would like to meet the media men after the program. So thank you very much, and may God bless us all.
Since the author is here with us, anybody who buys a copy, they can autograph it for you. Yeah. So that's 60. So, yeah.